Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be a very large free food haul again. I got all this stuff again for free. Didn't have to pay for nothing. All right, let's get started. I got this real big thing of apples for free. I got a big bag of these cute little golden potatoes. I like these because they're very clean and soft and they cook faster than the russet potatoes. I got a big thing of carrots, a gigantic huge bag. I have like maybe 30 or 40 corn on the cobs. Oops. And then back here, I got this big bag of fresh cold green beans. Then I got this big thing of lunch meat again. These are good as turkey. So we've been eating those sandwiches a lot. So this turkey lunch meat. Got these gigantic, look at the size of this, guys. Huge. I got two big, real heavy blocks of Swiss cheese. Got a thing of vanilla yogurt. This is the big one. Got some butter for free. The challenge butter again. I got this for free. I got these ribbon style egg noodles. These are good for a million different things to cook with. I got some sliced peaches in a can. I got some more applesauces. I got this big block of this processed cheese. Super big. I have a whole bunch of these. I think I have like 20 left. These are they stay good for a very long time in your refrigerator. This is like a Velveeta, but it's like processed. Same thing, Velveeta. I got this big, huge thing of eggs down here. Got some crackers, a whole bunch of little crackers thrown here. I got this little crunchy fruit bar, nut bar, whatever. A whole bunch of little crackers. I got these, what is this? Super Bear cookies, cute. I got a whole bag of these little apple crisp. I got this gigantic big bag of dried, let's see, lentils. Then I got this big frozen meal. This is enchilada again, casserole. Got that for free. Got a little can of peas and carrots. I got these 2 boxes of this mac and cheese. I do not like these. I usually give them away. So I got those. Got this big box of cereal for free. It's called Corn Biscuits. And it's just like Chex Mix. That's all it is. It's like a Chex Mix. I got this can right here of it's called Skeetios and beef. It's like little SpaghettiOs. Oops. I got a big can of white chicken meat. Then I got the little can of tuna. More chicken meat. Got some of these little portable, this is vanilla cereal. It's like a vanilla flake cereal, whatever. I got this can of green peas. Some more of these little bars. Nature's Valley oat and honey bars. Got a whole bunch of those. I got another big thing of chicken meat. Got some tomato soup. These are good with sandwiches. Got this big box of grits. Some maple grits. I have like maybe 40 boxes left of those. I got some corn again. I got 2 bottles of Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola. I think this is vanilla Coca-Cola. Something like that. I don't know. I don't drink Coca-Cola, so got those. I got some Progresso soup again. Some can of green beans. Got a box of penne pasta from Barilla. That's a good brand. Got this big bag right here of quick oats. This is just simple oatmeal. Got a huge thing of Italian, like not Italian, it's like a harvest wheat bread. I got another thing of applesauce. Black beans. This big gigantic Smucker's grape jelly in the glass container. Nice big heavy one. That's good for any type of desserts or peanut butter sandwiches. Got some ragu, the chunky garden style pasta salad. Got a big gallon of milk for free. I got this box of pastarona fettuccine alfredo for free. Yeah, I think I did everything already. So, yeah, I got all this stuff for free, guys. I got a whole bunch of stuff. Now, this meal I tried before. They gave me last time. It's frozen. It's still cold. All it is somebody put like a whole lot of hamburger meat, a lot of cheese, tortillas, and just a little bit of a sauce. That's about it. It doesn't really It's like a wannabe. It's not even enchilada because that's not how you make enchiladas. But that's like the American way, how people do it fast food. But that's not real authentic Mexican enchiladas. Not the way that we make them. But it's pretty good. You just put more cheese on it, put your own stuff to it. You can put veggies in there. And it's still good. You can heat them up. And this does make you really, really full. And that's about it. I got a whole bunch of cheeses, lunch meat, egg noodles, a lot of fresh vegetables, potatoes, yogurts. Yeah, so I got all this stuff for free, guys. Anyway, thanks for watching this haul. Stay tuned for more videos. I will be doing more soon. Again. But anyway, thanks for watching my free food haul. And I will talk to you guys later on. Bye.